Hey, what is up guys, what's going on? So as I promised before that, I'll be back with another video comparing both of the video recording capabilities of the OnePlus 6 and the Honor 10. So this is the video, and if you just missed our last video about the comparison of the camera samples, just click the I button on the top right corner and watch the video. So guys, now talking about the camera we have present on the Honor 10, you'll find a lot of options to play with. But if you ask me about the video sample from the dual camera is only can shoot up to 4K 30fps. There is no 4K 60fps, even there is no OIS or EIS on the Honor 10. But you will receive an OTA update for the electronic image stabilization for both front and back camera. Now if you ask me about the front facing camera, then you get a 24 megapixel f2.0 lens for the video recording. Now if you ask me about the video recording from the front facing camera, if the beautify mode is on, it can only shoot up to 720p resolution. But if you turn off the beautify mode, then you can shoot up to 1080p with 18:9 ratio, which is really nice with the Honor 10 camera. And also you get the electronic image stabilization within a week. So guys, the best thing with the Honor 10 camera is that whenever you turn on the aperture mode, you not only can set up the blur the background in an image, you can also shoot up a video with the wide aperture mode at 720p, which make the Honor 10 really unique. And this is the feature you only get on the Honor flagship killers. Now if you take a look at the camera UI on the OnePlus 6, you'll find a lot better cleaner UI with all of that option needed for a smartphone to be best. Now also with the video recording, the OnePlus 6 offers 4K 60fps, which is really impressive for a device which don't even cost that much. And also with this device you get 2x zoom, which is not optical zoom, but also you get that option while shooting a video. So this is really cool on the OnePlus 6. Now the best part is that the OnePlus 6 also shoot up a slow motion video at 100p 240fps and also can shoot up a video with 720p at 480fps, which is really damn cool for a device to shoot a slow motion video for that much of price. This is missing on the Honor 10 and only you get 100p at 120fps. So now let's look at some video sample from both of the rear and cameras, and also we're gonna compare the slow motion video capturing. So if you find this video really helpful, then definitely place a like below and subscribe to our channel.
So guys, this video sample recorded on the Honor 10 at 1080p. So comment down below what you think about the EIS and the audio pickup from the microphone of the device. As there is AI implemented on the camera, so the color saturation and the sharpness level looks good. So comment down below what you think about the EIS and also the video sample from the rear side camera of the Honor 10. So guys, the camera is really looks good and the colors are punchy on the Honor 10 AI camera, and I'm pretty much impressed with this camera. So guys, this video sample recorded at 100p on the OnePlus 6. So as you can see, this device having the OIS and EIS on the rear side camera. So definitely the device can shoot up to 4K 60fps, and also the video look buttery smooth with better color accuracy and looks better than the Honor 10. So comment down below what do you think about the optical image stabilization present on this device, and also the color saturation and everything looks good on the camera. And as this device can record up to 4K 60fps, which is really good, and we don't find that on the Honor 10. Also the audio you receive from the given microphone on the device. So let's comment down below what do you think about the camera and the audio quality from the OnePlus 6. So guys, this video sample recorded at 100p from the front facing camera of the Honor 10, as there is a 24 megapixel camera. So let's comment down below what do you think of the front video sample. And yes, the device have the AI implementation on it. So let's comment below how you find the color saturation and the brightness and exposure control on the front facing camera of the Honor 10, as I'm under direct sunlight condition. So comment down below what do you think about the video sample from the front facing of the Honor 10 AI 24 megapixel camera. So guys, this video sample recorded at 100p on the front facing camera of the OnePlus 6. So comment down below what do you think about the electronic image stabilization, and also how you find the front facing camera of the OnePlus 6. So comment down below. For me, the camera is really impressive in videography and definitely better than the Honor 10. And I agree with you guys, the camera on the OnePlus 6 can do a lot of things better than the Honor 10, but it needs some improvement which we're gonna receive with the OT updates. So comment down below what do you think about the front facing camera video sample, as there is electronic image stabilization